The next group of screens is the heater screens. Currently what you have control of is the barrel heaters, and you'll see your 3 zones of heat: the rear barrel, the front, and the nozzle. Currently the machine is showing that the barrel heaters are on. If you want to turn them off, you click on the off, and the machine will show you the status of all the heaters turning off. If you turn the heaters back on, you'll indicate whether you're at temperature. If I want a higher set point, it'll let me know that that zone is cold and it's currently heating up. Vice versa, if I set it for a lower number, it'll indicate that that heater is too hot and it should be cooling down. Besides the status of, or being able to enter in your different zones and seeing the status of the zone, you also have the feedback of the output to the actual solid state relay, whether it's on or off. If a thermocouple becomes disconnected, you also get a fault message in this area letting you know that that zone has a invalid signal from the thermocouple, and that you should either have it replaced or at least investigate whether it's become loose off the connector. One of the options you have also on the screen is what they call standby mode. So your heaters could be on. If you click on standby, what actually happens is the machine goes to an alternate set of set points. So in this case, the heater dropped from 400 degrees Fahrenheit down to 300. So it's going to cool down a little bit. The purpose of the standby is more for if your operators are going onto a long shift, like for example the lunch, they could hit standby, which lets the machine cool to a lower set of temperature. And when he returns back to the machine after his shift is over, he could just click on the on button, and it'll take the machine back to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or whatever his target temperature was, and heat back up. The delta for what you go to is set in the back screens of how much percentage drop do you want those zones of heat to take when you go into standby mode.